So when it comes to moving the robot, it's really important to be very cautious around this tablet on the front. So the handle on the back is right here, and you can hold it at the bottom of the torso and lift it up and move it as you wish. You can also lift it on behind the legs if that's more comfortable for you, just for moving it from location to location or in and out of a car or something like that. The iPal2 comes with some extra foam to protect the back of the head and also the tablet, so those go on first. So both robots come with a protective covering for the head. Just make sure that that foam stays where it is. For the foam crate. Styrofoam is fitted for the back of the robot. Okay, so for the iPal2, I like to start by having the box vertical, just gently folding the back handle. Lift it up a little bit. And holding under the torso. The box there. The next part has spot for the tablet and the head. Just to make sure that the sensors are covered underneath.